First is the letter A. Can you think of something that starts with A? Apple. Apple starts with A. Did you know? An apple can be red or green, or even yellow. Now let's think of an animal that starts with A. Ant. Ant starts with A. Did you know? Ants are very small, but they are also very strong. What else starts with the letter A? Acorn. Acorn also starts with A. Did you know that acorns grow on oak trees? Let's try saying it together. Ready? Acorn. Let's think of another animal that starts with A. Alligator. Alligator also starts with A. Did you know that alligators can swim very fast? Join us next time for the letter B. See you on the next one.